Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change your X password. So for the end of this, if you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the X application. Once open the X application, click on the profile button at the top left. Then scroll down, locate and click on settings and privacy. Then locate and click on your account. Click on change your password. Then it should say type in your current password, type in your new password, and then confirm your new password. If you forgot your password, just click on forgot password and then follow the prompt to reset your password. Once you reset your password, come back here and then type in the current password, type in your new password, then again the new password again. Once the new password matches, just go ahead and click on done at the top right, and then this is going to change your X or Twitter password. So that's exactly how to change X password. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.